This lesson is called 8-4, Introduction to Adjacent, Opposite, and Hypotenuse. In this lesson, we're going to be looking at how we can tell which side length is the adjacent side, the opposite side, or the hypotenuse. So we'll start first of all with our hypotenuse, which we know that since this is a right angle, this side opposite of that will always be my hypotenuse. And we're just going to use our abbreviations. H for hypotenuse, O for opposite, and A for adjacent. So it always is in reference to our angle that is given. So if I know we're talking about this angle, the opposite side of that angle will be straight across from it. And by definition, this here would be adjacent. So again, we're going to identify our hypotenuse first, our opposite, and then this would be our adjacent. Look at the next one. Our reference angle is here. Our hypotenuse would be here. Our opposite would be here. And our adjacent would be to the side. Take a minute once you guys try the next one. Right angle, this guy will be my hypotenuse. Here's my reference angle. This is going to be opposite. And the only unmarked one here is adjacent. So press pause. I want you to go ahead and try some of them on your own, and then we will go over them quickly together. On to our next one. Here's my hypotenuse. Opposite, this would be my adjacent. Hypotenuse, opposite, 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 adjacent. So your homework is going to be a quiz IZZ. I think there is about 9 questions. If you have a hard time logging in, make sure you message me in Schoology, email me, or let me know somehow that you're having a hard time. Tomorrow, the next day, we're going to be talking about trig ratios, and we need to know how to find the opposite, the adjacent, and the hypotenuse.